up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Hopefully these videos have been helping you guys grow creatively. I got a lot of feedback on these videos and I feel like they're really helping people in impactful ways, so I'm gonna keep spreading the joy, spreading the content, spreading the knowledge. So with this video, I'm going to do 5 tips to instantly step up your photo game. I think these tips are really helpful to people, and if you guys feel like they helped you in the last video, I did 10 tips. Just leave a comment below and let me know what tip particularly helped you the most. Also, I just wanted to say that these tips are ongoing. I learned something new about instantly stepping up my photo game just about every, other week in my career. So I think I'm gonna make this video series thing, just updating you guys on ways to just grow and continue to keep mastering your gaze as you are growing as a creative. So stay tuned because I got 5 tips for y'all. Let's get to the video. Tip number 1 is going to be to offer a specialty. And so a specialty is just basically what makes you as a creative unique. So for me, it's pretty much photographing color. Anything colorful, that's pretty much what I get booked for. People never hire me to shoot black and white photos. I mean, maybe earlier in my career, yeah, but now that I am evolved and color is my thing and I push that that's what I do, that is what I get booked for. And I think creating a specialty, creating a world around what you create is going to make your clients that's going to ultimately make them hire you for what you do. A specialty is also if you have an offer that is different from another photographer. So for example, if you are really good in studio and you have access to one, that is an offer that is in specialty. So you would want to push that specialty and just pushing it, making sure that you make it known that's your offer, that's your specialty, that's what makes it cool to book you as a creative. Jumping into 2. Photo package rates. I think offering photography packaged rates, it makes it easier for your clients to book you, and it also doesn't scare off anyone because you have a range of where to start and what's highest. I think when people are able to choose what price they want opposed to one set price, they're more willing to book opposed to not booking. So give your clients an option, and these clients can be from a brand to an everyday person. You don't know what people are working with financially, so having an option sheet, and it could be 3 or 2 options, whatever is fulfilling for you. But just giving your client that opportunity to choose what they want to pay for is always a plus to bringing in more clients and keeping clients as well. Number 3, y'all saw the 2. Number 3, consultations with clients. I find that chit-chatting with your client beforehand, obviously now it's really cool to do FaceTimes and Zooms beforehand and just talk with your client, make sure that you're on the right page with them and make sure that you guys are really working towards the same goal when it comes to creating. For me, I like to chit chat either via email or over the phone, especially if it's a shoot that's going to include more than one person. So if you're going to have a makeup artist, if you're going to have a wardrobe, if you're going to have a particular location, you're going to want to have a consultation call before you actually do the shoot. So definitely something that will step your photo game up and also just keep you organized throughout the process of creating. Number 4 would be to scout locations. Scouting locations is probably the most fun when it comes to photography. You could do this a day before, maybe even hours before. It doesn't have to be a serious event. It depends on how serious the shoot is. Normally for me, if it's a test kind of shoot, or I don't really like to call them test shoots, but just a creative shoot that I'm just doing just for fun, just for creative driven purposes, I'll probably do a location scout an hour before or before the client gets there, whatever the case might be. If it is actually somebody that is booking me for something paid, I would definitely research the location prior to the shoot date and definitely get a feel for like where I'm gonna shoot, how I'm gonna shoot, what time of day, what am I gonna use to shoot, just to be organized and making sure that you're getting the shots that you need and that they're gonna come out how you already envision them to. And number 5 would be open to mistakes. This is a very like cliche form of tip and advice, but I really think things like this reiterate like how you create. Being open to mistakes is being open to things flowing as the universe wants you to. In some crazy form. But I've had shoots where I have planned things to the T, but you know, it just unfolds how it should. Like, be open to things coming out as they should as far as creating work. If you have a mood board, don't try to get a shot exactly like the photo on the mood board. Be open to it coming out how you would create it, how you would shoot it, and how it would unfold if you're taking the picture. So always keep that in mind. Like, don't be working towards like what you think is supposed to be the shot or what people think is supposed to be the shot. Keep in mind what you're trying to visually implement into your work, into your gaze, and how you want to carry out your photography at the end of the day. So hopefully these 5 tips inspired you guys to keep pushing, to keep going, to keep stepping up your photo game, and ultimately mastering your gaze. So stay tuned, please subscribe, share this video guys if you guys were inspired, and I'll be back. Peace.